Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a feature that cinephiles and movie buffs will absolutely love, Filmmaker Mode on your LGTV. Whether you're a filmmaker yourself or just someone who enjoys watching movies as they were intended, Filmmaker Mode enhances your viewing experience by preserving the director's artistic intent. Stick around as we show you how to activate this feature and get the most out of your LGTV. 1. What is Filmmaker Mode? Filmmaker Mode is a setting available on LGTVs designed to display movies as the directors intended them to be seen. It disables unnecessary post-processing effects like motion smoothing and adjusts the picture settings to accurately reflect the filmmaker's creative vision. 2. Step-by-step guide to turn on Filmmaker Mode. A. Accessing the settings. Start by turning on your LGTV and grabbing the remote. Press the settings button. It looks like a gear icon. And navigate to the All Settings option. B. Locating picture options in the settings menu, find and select Picture to access the picture options. C. Activating Filmmaker Mode. Scroll down through the picture options until you find Picture Mode Settings. Select this option and look for Picture Mode. Here, you'll see a list of different modes like Standard, Vivid, and so on. Navigate through these until you find Filmmaker Mode and select it to activate. D. Adjusting additional settings. Optional. Once Filmmaker Mode is activated, you can further adjust settings like brightness, contrast, and color temperature to suit your personal preferences while still maintaining the integrity of the original film. Benefits of using Filmmaker Mode. Preserves director's intent. Watch movies the way directors intended them to be seen, with minimal post-processing. Enhanced viewing experience. Enjoy accurate colors, contrast, and motion settings that faithfully reproduce the cinematic experience. Reduces motion smoothing. Eliminates the soap opera effect caused by motion smoothing, which can detract from the cinematic look of films. Conclusion. And there you have it. Turning on Filmmaker Mode on your LGTV is a straightforward process that significantly enhances your movie watching experience. Whether you're watching classic films or the latest blockbusters, Filmmaker Mode ensures you see them as they were meant to be seen, just like in the theater. Thanks for watching.